So I just started rail fanning in Eureka, and I saw the tail end of the train, and I thought it was UP, but I checked the Cuba sub lights, and something was red, and I'm seeing the back end of the train now. It's headed west, Cuba sub. It's headed toward Pacific. Since I was headed that way anyway, I'll just take my regular route, because he may stop, go on a siding, something like that. It's 10 o'clock. The back of the train is right way over there by the crossing. So it looked like it's moving slow. So he's slowing way down. So I'm just gonna have to meet up with him in Pacific. BNSF slowly coming in. He may be on the siding, maybe not. He's come pretty close, so I'm just going to start recording anyway. Yeah, he's in a hurry. He's going to be sitting there for a little bit.
BNSF 6108, 6108.
Alright, understand. Now GTV number 32200 now reads the BNSF 6108. Thank you.
What I can do based on where I'm at is hit Dozier Crossing and maybe get under the arms for UP and catch this guy going down the line. So I gotta make this here. Oh, it's just coming down.